BitBrowser Wallet is a user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet built for managing and securing digital assets efficiently. The website offers a streamlined experience, combining cutting-edge technology with intuitive navigation. Upon entering BitBrowser Wallet, users are greeted with a clean and simple interface. The dashboard displays your cryptocurrency balance, transaction history, and quick access tools for sending or receiving funds. Setting up the wallet is straightforward. After registering, you create a secure backup for recovery purposes, ensuring that your funds are protected. The wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for multi-asset users. A standout feature is its robust security protocol. BitBrowser Wallet employs advanced encryption and multi-signature technology, giving users confidence that their assets are safe from unauthorized access. Navigating the transaction process is effortless. To send funds, you simply select the desired cryptocurrency, enter the recipient's address, and confirm the transaction. Similarly, receiving assets requires only sharing your unique wallet address. Beyond functionality, the wallet includes tools for monitoring market trends, helping users stay informed about their investments in real time. Its compatibility with both desktop and mobile platforms ensures flexibility, allowing you to manage your crypto on the go. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security measures, such as two-factor authentication, are easy to activate, adding an extra layer of protection to your wallet. You'll also appreciate the user guides and support resources provided, which make it easy for beginners to get started with cryptocurrency. For those keen on customization, the wallet offers various options to tailor your experience to your preferences. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or a newcomer, BitBrowser Wallet simplifies the complexities of managing digital assets. Don't miss out on updates and insights. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more reviews and tutorials.